What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna get a new clutch on the Nissan Sentra. So we have the car already on jack stand. Man is helping me out. So over here we have the new clutch, and it is an eBay one, stage 3. Went with a XTR, I think it is, 4-pack ceramic. Got the combo with a new flywheel as well, gear oil, my throttle bearing, and I'm gonna replace my main seal. And here we have the alignment tool. So right now we're gonna start working with the car. I'm gonna start removing intercooler piping and all the accessories that are on the way, so we can actually get easier to the transmission. So let's start with that. Alright, so far we're making some progress. Battery's out, all the intercooler piping is out. We remove the air filter, map sensor. Right now what I'm gonna try to do, we're gonna start removing like clutch cable, and then after that most likely we're gonna start removing the starter, and then we're just gonna go ahead and remove the tires to start taking out the axles. We still have to drain the transmission, but we're looking closer. We just removed the starter and it smells like clutch burn so bad, it's just disgusting. Right now we're removing a couple wires from the tranny. Also I went ahead and removed the wheels, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting ready to remove the pins over here and the axles, and also over here for the strut. Besides that, I mean, everything's making progress. We have wheels out, axles are out. So now what we're gonna do, we're getting ready just to drain the gear oil. Also, we're getting ready just to drop down the cross member, which is gonna be these two over here and the other two down there. Also, I still have the shift linkages. I have just to work with those, and then just make sure that my transmission doesn't have any more like hanging wires anywhere before I drop it out. So we've been making more progress. Right now we actually draining the gear oil. Also I got the cross member out, and I got the shift linkages out as well. Right now I have the whole engine and tranny holding by 2 mounts only, which is this one right here and this one over here. I'm just going to support the tranny now and to find which one are the bolts holding the tranny to the engine block and put it out. So let's go. Alright, so it's the next day. Let me show you where we at. So we basically ready to drop the transmission right now. This is the first time I do the clutch on this car, so I believe I'm either missing a bolt, but I can find it, or maybe the tranny got seized. I have no clue. Honestly, everything is out and it still doesn't want to separate in the middle, so I have no clue. There is a better look of my turbo right there, my manifold. Not the prettiest, but get the job done. There it is again. So yeah, we got it separate a little bit. You guys can see right there. So split out. Alright, so yep, we got the tranny out of the car. I had no bolts on it. Somehow the pins that they were in here and here, and they were seized. So actually they were so rusted that it was actually holding the transmission in place. This thing looks disgusting and it smells just like burnt clutch. It's super, yeah. Anyways, old clutch is still on the car. I'm just gonna take a look and see how that one looks. I don't know if maybe that's a stock clutch, OEM, or what it is, but by the time that the transmission was seized on the car, it was a little hard to pull it out. So I don't know when was the last time this transmission was removed. And hello. But yeah, let me start taking this out, and most likely I might clean up a little bit of transmission as well, because it's a little filthy, but I want the car to be running as soon as possible. We brought the tranny outside right now. We're gonna try to clean all this slush that tranny has, which is somehow disgusting, as you guys can see. I would like to power wash it, but right now it's cold and I just want to get it done, so I'm gonna try to clean it up as much as possible, and then after that put the new clutch and continue. Alright, so we hit it with a sunbreak cleaner and it's looking better, but not the way we like. So we just put on the dresser and we're gonna power wash it now, so hopefully came up nice. Meanwhile, Manny take care of that. Thank you, Manny. We, more like me, going to start taking out stock clutch. So let's do that right now. Alright, so yeah, I got clutch out and the flywheel out. Sorry, GoPro died. I have everything right here, and this is my previously clutch that I have in the car. As you guys can see, it was spinning, sleeping. Actually, it's very bad, and you guys can see how the front part of the clutch is actually almost shredded in completely, and even here have like chunks that just flew away. The other side looks decent, even though it was spinning, and here's the flywheel, also with sleeping marks on it. Manny just finished cleaning the transmission, almost like new. Look at that, boys. So yeah, it is lot cleaner. So yeah, so let me start cleaning up and continue. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned up mostly everything here, and I actually opened my rear main seal over here. I want to make sure it's the same size before I took the other one out, and most likely it's the same size. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna go ahead and pull out the old one and try to get that done while my GoPro is charging right now. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so the oil main seal is out. I have it right there, And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the new one. Here we have new and old, just to give you a quick idea. Just making sure everything's the same thing before I go ahead and install it. Right now I'm getting ready to install the new throttle bearing. They both are the same size. Somehow the clips on the new one didn't match the old one, so what we did, we just swapped them out. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on right now. We have to grease it too. Yeah. So you just go in like that. We're just gonna grease it now, and while Manny does that, I'm halfway ready with flywheel. So the flywheel is on the car right now. I use a thread locker and everything is hand tied, so I'm just gonna go ahead and torque it down. Online says it should be 69 foot-pound of torque, so that's what I'm gonna do. So flywheel is ready. Now we just clean up the flywheel to get the clutch ready, and also I use a thread locker on the bolts just to be safe. So after that, let's get ready with this. And this bad boy. So the new clutch is on. I torqued the bolts to 20 foot-pound of torque, and Manny just bring a point, and Red family now, everything matches. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to install the tranny back. So yep, the tranny is back on the car with the new clutch. Most of the bolts are bolt on the tranny already, and also I got this mount. This one over here is on already. So obviously we have no jacks right now holding nothing. Everything is looking good, just a little mess of oil there. So I'm just gonna go down and put the last 3 bolts of the tranny right there all the way in the back. Have over here the polyurethane engine mount inserts for all 4. So I'm gonna do that one eventually. Not yet, I'm not gonna rush it. Since I'm here, why not just went ahead and put the cross member polyurethane engine mount inserts on. So I have the back one and the front one. I still have to do the tranny top mount and the engine mount on the engine side. I'm not gonna do those today. I'm gonna make a video, and I will try my best to do a tutorial or DIY how to make it, because it's not as easy. But anyway, I managed to get it done, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that one on right now. The car is still on jack stands, but it's completely put together. Also, I decided to remove the battery tray, which is over there, and I like it because it's more to the side. And also I relocated a few bucks that was over here, now it's over here, but I need to find a way just to mount it because now it's all loose. So everything is done. I just need to put the tires and drop the car, but before I do that, I just want to do a start it up, make sure everything is working the way it should. See, it is. So yeah, let me get the car on the floor, adjust the clutch cable, and then after that go to get gas because I need to get gas. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. I finally got the new clutch installed on the Nissan Sentra. Right now I'm just finished cleaning up, so I'm just gonna take it home just to start breaking in the clutch. So far feels very good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I will see you on the next one.